After sexual activity, it's important to consider both physical and emotional aspects for a healthy and respectful post-sex experience. Here are 5 things you should do and 5 things you should avoid. Things you should do after sex. 1. Communication. Engage in open and honest communication with your partner about your experience, ensuring both parties feel comfortable and satisfied. 2. Hygiene. Clean up, both for your comfort and as a courtesy to your partner. It's a good practice to urinate after sex to help prevent urinary tract infections. 3. Physical affection. Offer and accept post-sex affection, whether it's cuddling, kissing, or simply being close. This can help strengthen emotional intimacy. 4. Rest and relax. Allow yourself some time to rest and recover, especially if the sexual activity was physically demanding. Relaxing together can be a bonding experience. 5. Protection. If you're not in a monogamous and sexually exclusive relationship, ensure that protection, for example, condoms, is used to prevent sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and unwanted pregnancies. Things you should not do after sex. 1. Rush. Avoid rushing or immediately turning away from your partner. Take a moment to savor the experience and express your feelings. 2. Pressure or expectations. Do not pressure your partner into more sexual activity if they're not interested. Consent should always be freely given and respected. 3. Critique or comparisons. Avoid making critical comments about your partner's performance or comparing them to others. This can be hurtful and damaging to self-esteem. 4. Disregard emotional connection. Don't ignore the emotional aspect of post-sex interaction. Emotional intimacy is essential for a healthy sexual relationship. 5. Neglect safety. If you did not use protection during sex and you are not in a committed monogamous relationship, do not neglect discussing STI testing and potential contraception options for the future. If you liked the video, then give it like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.